Experience the world's most advanced refrigerators from Bosch. With foods that stay fresh up to 3 times longer with Farm Fresh system. A built-in refreshment center that keeps your favorite beverages at the ideal temperature and humidity. And ice replenished at the speed of life with the industry's fastest refrigerator ice maker. It's reinvented refrigeration from Bosch. The Bosch Refrigerator Collection. Bosch, invented for life.
Spacious compartments, smart design, and extraordinary build. Here's Sharp 4-door refrigerator. A refrigerator that bestows nature's goodness and lasting freshness on your food. To fulfill that purpose, it is laced with the patented PLASMACLUSTER technology, which releases positive and negative ions to neutralize molds, bacteria, and other microparticles, keeping your food always healthy and fresh. The J-Tech inverter makes your refrigerator more silent, energy efficient, and stable. The pillarless design offers wider storage. Now store your cakes and pizzas and other food items without any hassles of space. The antibacterial deodorizer prevents odor exchange, while the hybrid cooling system evenly cools every compartment and help retain freshness for extended periods. Compared to 3 to 5 degrees in conventional refrigerators, the extra cool feature maintains a set temperature of 0 to 2 degrees Celsius. This leads to the formation of smaller and finer bubbles, bringing forth a more refreshing taste in your beverages. For special occasions like parties, you need adequate ice cubes. The express freezing helps make ice 40% faster. It's protected with the 7 Shields safety measure to ensure that your Sharp refrigerator is environment-friendly, shock-proof, power surge protected, non-corrosive, and much more. Get the best of nature and nurture for you and your loved ones with the Sharp 4-door refrigerator.